Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. I bought myself today a iPad Pro 11-inch 64 gig model Wi-Fi only, and I got myself a Apple Pencil Generation 2. So this is going to be a quick unboxing. Let's just see what's inside, and let's just get straight into it. So put that to one side for now. So let's just get this open from the side here. So as you can see, let's just get this open. So that's the tablet itself. I'll just put that to one side for now. And let's just look at the rest of the stuff in here. Obviously you've got the information booklets in there that you get with it, and obviously the stickers that you have. And also you've got the charging cable, obviously USB-C to USB-C, which is always good to have now, obviously with the iPad itself being a USB charger. And obviously we've got a plug for it, obviously it's a USB one as well. So that's just the stuff now. Obviously we know what comes with that, so let's just put that to a side. Let's just get to the actual pad itself. So let's just get this open. And yeah, I got this in the space grey one, obviously the standard colour, that probably the best one out there at the moment. So there it is there. It's not too bad actually, it's quite light actually. I thought it'd be quite heavier than this, but it's not too bad actually. It's nice and light. So let's just quickly just go over some of the the actual ports on this and stuff like that. So there's see at the bottom is the USB-C type port. Obviously you've got the speakers on either side of it. Moving around, you've got the actual magnetic strip where the pencil goes on there, obviously, and the where it charges as well once you obviously stick it on there. You've got the volume rockers just around about here. And then obviously on the top you've got two more speakers there. You've got obviously the microphone inputs there. You've got the on and off power button there. And you've got the microphone there, obviously, and then on the back you've got the camera and the mic and the flash, and also you've got the connectors for the actual folio that goes with the keyboard folio that goes with it. So that's just a quick look at it, obviously, of the iPad itself. I'm not going to switch on at the moment, but obviously I'm sure you know what it is, what it's about, the setup and all sorts. So that's just a quick look at it at the moment. So let's just bring in the actual pencil itself. Obviously this is a second generation pencil. This is the only pencil that actually works with the actual iPad Pro. Obviously the first generation won't work with it, and this won't work. The second gen pencil will not work with any other iPads as well. So this is specifically for this. Out the way. So let's just see where this one opens up from. If I can get it open, there you go. Let's just pull this open. Again, nice design there. Obviously, you got all the documents there inside there, and all sorts. You know what you want to do. You can just go ahead and read that if you want to. And that's the pencil itself in there. Nice weight to it. Nice feel to it. Let's take this off. Yep, definitely kind of matte finish. Obviously there's the actually folded edge. Obviously that just obviously sticks nicely onto the side of the actual iPad itself there. So there you go. So it just sticks on the side there just like that. It's nice to hold. It's the 11-inch obviously Pro version that I've got, and that's about it really. So just a quick, like I said, quick unboxing video. Obviously iPad OS is coming out this week on Tuesday, I think it is. So obviously once that's there, I'll get a bit of a bit more in-depth video out about it, see how it is. And so yeah, that's about it really, guys. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. If you want any questions, leave them, put them in the comments below. If you've liked this video, leave a thumbs up for me, please. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do put the bell icon on and the notifications on all the time. And obviously when I upload a new video, you'll be obviously the first ones to hear about it. So yeah, so like I said, it's just a quick unboxing video, just how what's inside the box and so forth, like that, with it itself. So yeah, so thanks a lot, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.